How do I apply for 501(c)(3) tax-exempt status? Attention nonprofit enthusiasts. A hot topic right now is the process for applying for 501(c)(3) tax-exempt status. This status is essential for many organizations looking to maximize their funding opportunities. If you are starting a nonprofit or looking to enhance your current organization, understanding this process is critical. First, let us clarify what 501(c)(3) means. It is a section of the United States tax code that allows certain organizations to be exempt from federal income tax. Typically, these organizations are charities, religious groups, and educational institutions that serve the public good. To apply for 501(c)(3) status, your organization must meet specific requirements. You need to be organized as a nonprofit corporation, trust, or association. Your purpose must be charitable, religious, educational, scientific, or literary in nature. Additionally, you must have a board of directors or trustees that governs the organization. Now, let's break down the application process into manageable steps. First, you need to incorporate your nonprofit. This involves filing articles of incorporation with your state. Make sure to include language that limits your activities to exempt purposes. This ensures that if your organization dissolves, its assets go to another 501(c)(3) organization. Next, obtain an employer identification number from the Internal Revenue Service. This number is required for tax filings and opening bank accounts, even if you do not have employees. After that, draft bylaws and appoint directors. Bylaws outline how your organization will operate, while a board of directors or trustees provides governance. Then, you will need to file Form 1023 or Form 1023-S. Most organizations will use Form 1023, which is the application for recognition of exemption under Section 501(c)(3) of the Internal Revenue Code. Smaller organizations may qualify for the shorter Form 1023-S, which is less detailed and has a lower fee. Prepare the required documents, including your articles of incorporation, bylaws, and financial statements. You should also include a detailed description of your activities and how they further your exempt purpose. Once everything is ready, submit your application. Mail your completed application and supporting documents to the Internal Revenue Service along with the required application fee. After submission, the Internal Revenue Service will review your application and may request additional information. If approved, you will receive a determination letter confirming your tax-exempt status. Finally, maintain compliance by filing annual returns to keep your status. Follow all Internal Revenue Service rules for nonprofits to avoid losing your exemption. Recent statistics show that in fiscal year 2020, the Internal Revenue Service approved about 87% of 501(c)(3) applications. This means that most organizations that apply and meet the requirements are successful. Remember, having 501(c)(3) status is often necessary to apply for grants and receive tax-deductible donations. If your organization's status is not current at the time of application, you may not be eligible for certain funding opportunities. Now you know how to apply for 501(c)(3) tax-exempt status. Good luck with your nonprofit journey.